1, 2, 3,
That one.
4, 5.
Don't do it, Jake.
I had duck. Hello, this is Kevin Kwok with J29 Creative, and we're back on Share Wednesday. And hey, so we wanted to just kind of summarize what we've talked about so far. We talk about navigating through all the noise in regards to all the stuff you see during the New Year's. So Jake has some good points in regards to blueprints. So a lot of times you'll see these different blueprints in different industries like fitness or construction or real estate that you can download, and it's going to help you take your business to the next level. But at the end of the day, it still requires work and execution. So the question is, are you going to do it? And then number 2, we had Alex talk about video, because video is the big word for 2018. Everyone's doing video. Video is cool. We're on video right now because it's cool. Not really, but hey, we're here to deliver some value to you guys. And our thought is, hey, let's help people navigate through the noise. So, so today, to just summarize everything we talk about, is 2018. We all have resolutions, and we all want to, whatever market you're in, you want to do well, you want the best is yet to come, you want the best year yet. But at the end of the day is, how are we going to get there? So is it spending more money buying all these different things that you can sign up for a webinar, download more blueprints, you know, buy this, buy that, hire agencies, hire freelancers, utilize, you know, different tools? The question is, there's just so much out there. So our pet peeve is, if you can't do anything well, don't do it. And, you know, so my advice to you is really hone in on how did you do last year in 2017? And if you're a startup, what are your end goal? What's the result you really want? And you got to look at your budget. You know, what do you have to work with? You know, and is downloading this tool going to give you the ROI you want, or hiring this freelancer? So at the end of the day, you have to look at your business as a whole. We're a digital marketing agency, and we love you to get into digital and creative and different things like that. But at the end of the day, if you don't know your product, your service, or your brand, or who you are, we can't even go there. You know, you have to have something that your end user or your audience wants. You know, it doesn't matter if it's time saving, a service that answers to, you know, an industry problem. You have to be able to have a credible business, you know. And once you have that, now the next question is, what's your marketing budget? It's expensive. This stuff's not cheap. You know, to do it well and to do it right, there is no $30 a month. And if someone tells you, hey, you can download this blueprint for $40 a month, it's going to completely transform your 2018 and make you buku bucks, they're lying to you. So it comes down to, what do you really want in a business? Because from what I know, just through my years of experience owning different businesses, it comes down to giving someone something of value, and then delivering a good product, and then you repeat day in, day out. You repeat that process and you work at it. It requires work. There is no business out there that became successful without putting on the grind and working. And at the end of the day, you can't hire an agency and expect them to do it for you. You know, it's your business. So my recommendation, 2018, really look at your picture, your bigger picture, your entire business, and then come up with a strategy that fits your budget, and what's the lowest hanging fruit that's going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. Until next time, have a wonderful start to 2018. Later.
Funny, it's not a star I see. It's always you. Funny.
I had duck.